Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today, let's talk a little bit more about HubSpot. So, HubSpot. This is a platform that solves this. It's a core. HubSpot is the all-in-one customer platform built around a central free CRM, or the customer relationship management database, you might say. So this acts as a single source of truth, eliminating the chaos of separating tools for email, for sales, services. It explain therefore keys into hubs, for example, that turns chaos into cohesive growth engine. So everything into the HubSpot, for example, starts with a smart CRM. Basically, these elements, for example, this is a single central database that tracks every interaction with every person, whether they are a website visitor, a lead, or a loyal customer, right? So this shows you the full timeline, what blog posts they read when they opened your email, which sales repetition they spoke to, and where they are into the sales pipeline. So this shared history is what aligns your entire company, preventing your sales team from contacting a customer who just submitted a service ticket. Right? So speaking about the core product hubs, hub number one is the marketing hub. This is where you attract the visitors, and you can get an actual free demo if you wanted to. So basically, to sign up, you can go into the HubSpot.com. You can enter your phone number, your company name, the website URL, how many employees are there, and get your free demo. So the key tools include building beautiful landing pages, creating personalized email marketing campaigns, setting up some automated workflows, and nurture leads while you sleep. So this centralized all your forms, ads, and blog analytics. Have three elements that, of course, helps you to show the help desk and the live chat. This is crucial for retaining customers by providing stellar support. It automatically turns customer questions, for example, into trackable services tickets. You can build a searchable knowledge base for sales services, deploy live chat, bots to give instant answers. And more of this, you can check them out directly here into the 14 trial of the HubSpot. Into the HubSpot, you have here the elements to set up your actual account, create your first email, invite your teammates, an actual introduction video how you can get started with the CEO, on the workflows, socials, customer report builder, and creating campaigns. Onto the left section, you have our CRM, as I just told you, where you can create companies. You can have more information about your companies, your deals, creating your tickets, about your orders, segments, inbox calls, task playbooks, and more, even templates for messages. Then you have the marketing elements. Something that I truly loved about, for example, are the campaigns that you can create here into the HubSpot, such as generating email campaigns, ads, and so much more. Then we have the content. For example, we can create and generate website pages, landing pages, blogs, adding videos, podcasts, and more. Then into the sales, for example, you can see the workspaces where you can check out our targets, our meetings, our insights, and so much more. There's the commerce, the services, data management, and automations. So something about the automation and alignments is that the greatest power of the HubSpot here is directly here into automation, because all the hubs share the same data. You can create seamless workflows. So if a lead downloads your ebook, for example, this automatically assigns them to a sales report and enroll them into a follow-up email sequence that you can later on do into an automation, for example, right? This alliance allows you to focus on the inbound methodology. This attracts customers with valuable content, engaging them personally and delighting them with the great services, right? You can check out your performance, the enrollments, the most used workflow actions, and even create, of course, elements with more automation application. For example, Zoom. So Slack, there's the Google Sheets, there's a generation of all of this, and much more. So simply put, HubSpot is the comprehensive platform that replaces multiple tools to manage all your customer activities. It gives your entire team the context that they need to grow the better. And to get started, usually the most easiest way is to focus into our CRM action, go for the context, and start by adding your first contact, such as the name, the email, the phone number, the contact owner, and the primary company. Something else you can do to get started, of course, is to check out the marketing campaign. So you can start by choosing and generating, for example, a template for a simple template. For example, creating a new email, such as a welcome email to your new customers. So which HubSpot do you need to implement first? You can let me know in the comments below. If this ultimate guide was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to TechExpress to check out more elements of HubSpot. If you wanted to see something specific about HubSpot, you can let us know in the comments below. We can check them out directly through our new videos. So thank you once again, guys, and hopefully we can see you next time.